Is it the right time to buy or sell Marathon Patent stock? In this video, we will delve into Marathon Patent, providing you with a more comprehensive analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 5, 2023. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed is crucial to making informed investment decisions. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 14, 2023, our system has identified Marathon Patent as a strong buy candidate with a score of 7.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis from 15 days ago when we first listed Marathon Patent as a buy candidate, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 66.63%. That's an average return of 4.44% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, we may see a potential 18.68% change over the next 3 months. However, there is also a chance of a return between -30.25% and 18.68%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 40.8% change over the next year. This means there is a possible return between -22.46% and 101.42%. In terms of price, this would result in a range of $11.85 to $30.78 after 12 months. Our latest update on Marathon Patent brings exciting news. The stock experienced a green day on Tuesday, gaining 2.83%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Marathon Patent stock price rose from $14.86 to $15.28, representing a 2.83% increase. This marks the third consecutive day of gains for the stock. It will be intriguing to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the previous trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $14.81 and a high of $16.07, resulting in a 8.51% fluctuation. In the last 10 days, the stock price has risen in 7 of them, showing a 43.61% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 4 million shares on the last day, with a total of 76 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.16 billion. It is worth noting that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices may indicate divergence and serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, its highest price was $19.88, while the lowest price was $3.11. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 23.12% or $4.60 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 81.69% or $68.17 below its all-time high, which was reached on November 9, 2021, when the price reached $83.45. Analyst ratings for Mara. On Friday, September 23, 2022, BTIG reported a neutral grade for Mara with a downgrade action. On Thursday, August 11, 2022, Jefferies reported a buy grade for Mara with a hold action. On Tuesday, July 12, 2022, B. Riley Securities reported a neutral grade for Mara with a hold action. On Friday, June 24, 2022, Cowen and Company reported a market perform grade for Mara with an initialize action. On Friday, June 3, 2022, BTIG reported a buy grade for Mara with a hold action. Analysts have given Marathon Patent stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Marathon Patent. We have mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Marathon Patent stock has buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $13.12 and $10.08. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, October 3, 2023, and since then, it has risen by 109.32%. This suggests that further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely watch the stock. Today, we will discuss some interesting signals that you might find useful for your investments. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence signal, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which also suggests a buy signal 45 days ago. We also have the Bollinger signal, which showed a buy signal 11 days ago. However, the short-term moving average gives a sell signal 17 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 31 days ago. If we look at the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 28 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart for further insights. The short moving average shows a sell signal 20 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 62 days ago. Remember, for more signals like these, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Marathon Patent. Marathon Patent has found support from accumulated volume at $14.86. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock may experience significant fluctuations, volatility, throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval, classifying this stock as very high risk. Looking at the recent performance, we see that in the last day, the stock had a price range of $1.26, representing an 8.51% difference between the high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 8.13%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Marathon Patent, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One key metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to have periods of decline, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a consistently negative PE ratio could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. On another note, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.0600. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Marathon Patent. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we find that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to make a swift upward movement under favorable conditions. If you're considering entering a position, it's recommended to closely monitor the volume and use it as a determining factor for your exit strategy. On the downside, Marathon Patent faces its first support level at $14.86. This support level could serve as a promising entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Marathon Patent has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 10, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael made an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, SWIC Adam Michael also conducted an insider purchase of 143,141 shares of restricted stock units. On November 10, 2023, Crawford James sold 147,436 shares of RSUs. On November 10, 2023, Swami ASHU made an insider purchase of 136,133 shares of restricted stock units. And on August 31, 2023, Swami ASHU sold 7,733 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 47.290. In total, insiders have purchased 2,512,588 shares and sold 1,068,277 shares in the last 100 trades. In this video, we'll discuss our recommended stop loss for a particular stock. Before we dive in, it's important to note that this stock experiences significant daily movements, which also means it carries a high level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14, which measures the stock's relative strength, is currently at 85. This indicates an increased level of risk. On a positive note, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 44 days ago. Is Marathon Patent stock a good buy? Marathon Patent shows several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on this, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and we anticipate further gains in the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 6th, we predict Marathon Patent will open up $0.107 and start trading at $15.39. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Also, please note that the information provided by StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're curious, what is your target for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us.